Bitcoin. Buy now or you might have regrets in October. You want to find out why? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max, with Rodrigo Arnedo, your host for the most here on Crypto News. You have to watch all the videos we told you in the last one what's going on with the monthly. We have a close for May. We are in June and we'll see what's going to happen right now. Red Capital telling us here, new month, same predicament. Bitcoin simply ranging between the $60,000 and the $70,000 levels. And what a close we had according to Mustache. The idea is that right now we are in the same line at the previous all-time high, as we told you. And this is the situation we had in the previous bull runs before entering the banana, before entering the parabolic mode. So yeah, we told you about this chart in previous video. Watch them all. You can see that the candle for May is green and it closed so far above the close of the all-time high in November 2021. Right now, we are going up. We are in a green candle right now for June. And we'll see, because right now, if we close where we are right now, it would be better than the top of this candle in November 2021. It's true, it wouldn't be the all-time high. It wouldn't be a closer. Even it wouldn't be like the best close for Bitcoin in history, but we are going that way. We'll see if we are following this path the crypto proof is telling us or not. And remember that those lines for the green or the red right now would be $67,000 for 177. That would mean a red candle in June. And if we go up, we will have a really, really nice time if we go beyond 71,288. We have all green candle. It doesn't matter, just we don't fall from this line. It will be a green candle, but it will be an extra green somehow if we close as the best close in Bitcoin history, of course. You see here June, and we had the rest of the year ahead of us. And this tweet from Titan Crypto telling us he's bullish. He believes that, we are now in a way from this support to new all-time highs. And he told us that always the month following the halving is a bullish month, but we told him, and he's not reading us, it's not true. That's not the case. You see here it was a green one, but here it was a red one, and here it was a red one. So 2 out of 3 times it's been a red one. We had a green one this time, so now it's 2 to 2 according to this. But yeah, any case, Quinten here telling us that halving is what everyone is focuses on, but the US election is where the fun starts. You can see here the halving in the orange and the blue line, and how after the blue line, the election line, we go crazy up. We told you in previous videos, you have to watch them all. Of course, we told you that we might go a little bit down. Remember this chart, watch it again if you forget. But now we are going to be a little bit bullish. We have here this tweet from Oliver L. Velez. The idea for today's thumbnail and title of the video is that June and July are decent months for Bitcoin. But the period that is going to be crazy is going to be the last quarter, October, November, and December. So maybe you have time for accumulation, but not a lot of time. May, 11% for Bitcoin history. Right now we are up, but again, you can see here July and August, some red, some greens. September is a bad month in Bitcoin history, the worst, one of the worst months. But then you can see October, as we call it, November and December. There is where we might have our best returns. This is not financial advice. I'm not expert. I have no idea whatsoever what's going to happen with Bitcoin price, but this might be the reality. So if you believe this is true, then we better stock maybe with dollar cost average some Bitcoin before it is too late. We told you in previous video about May and June. We told you we might have a green right now. Why not? But what will happen with this October, November, or December? You can see it here just once at the very first cycle, we had a red October. The rest in an election year is always green, green, green all the time. Right now, maybe we need some rest, like here, maybe a little bit, like here, or not, like in the first occasion. But yeah, you can see these three green lines. We are happy with that. And Chamath Palihapitiya and their friends is happy, saying that Bitcoin might go to a top between 200K and $500,000. How is so? Well, you have here some data from previous halvings, and he just focused on the last two times because the first one was too crazy. And you can see that the idea here is that 1 month after that, we might be around $73,000. 3 months after, we might be around 77. 6 months after the halving, we might be with these average prices around 100K. So this would be for the end of the year. But in a year, we might be around 400K, and in 18 months, we might be around $500,000 to $1 million. So thank you for these predictions to these experts, hopefully. So even Peter Brandt, that was not bullish, is bullish again now with this chart telling us that Bitcoin should top beyond 100K. Also, Crypto Robert telling us that according to history, the next Bitcoin move is going to happen in the next 2 to 3 weeks. So be ready for that. Black Capital telling us we still need some patience, maybe, because in the past we were ranging for some long period of time. But Kaleo telling us here that it's time for round 2, that 100K is a magnet for Bitcoin and it has to go there sometime. And Crypto Robert in the shortened period of time telling us maybe we have there a cap and handle pattern, and that would bring us to $90,000. This was Bitcoin price action this week, and Ethereum was going down, and Bitcoin was just being crazy, and it usually is ranging in the same prices, and we'll see about that. Because this week in the daily chart here with TradingView, we are going up. We broke the previous high, the yellow line of $69,000. So we'll see if this is a good week. Good week for Nayib Bukele in El Salvador. He is now officially again president of El Salvador, and he's so happy that the country is doing well, thanks in part with Bitcoin. And he met with President Javier Milei from Argentina and some others, and he will be telling them about Bitcoin. Of course, maybe to Daniel Ceballos from Venezuela, if he is president, he's going to have Bitcoin in the country. Well, little by little, maybe all of them will have some Bitcoin. What about Ethereum? We are trying to go up also with Ethereum, and you'll see here Titan of Crypto with this chart telling us that 1,000K to 1,200K for Ethereum is inevitable. Maybe, I believe that. What about you? Leave a comment below. Here you have this nice chart comparing Bitcoin price from 2018 to 2021 with Ethereum right now, and we might be going to follow this parabolic mode. That would be awesome. The market is in the green, the bubbles are crazy green too, and we are greedy, even though we of course have some concerns about regulatory issues in United States. Now President Biden vetoed a law project, that bill that would have eliminated controversial SEC crypto policy. But you might be confused because we told you that Biden was not going to veto this bill. But those are two different bills. So I went to ChatGPT and asked for SAB 121 and FIT 21. Those are two different things. One is more oriented to the companies to register as custodians, and the other one is to foment innovation in the market. So one is vetoed already, the other is not. And one bad new Velocore DEX was hacked, 10 million lost, so hopefully you are not there. If you want to know about the market, you have to go to dextours.io. You have a link in the description below. You can see there that Pepe is trading, but also GME is trading again. We knew from that GameStop hero that he has a lot of stock in GME still, and that was good for the market. Follow all about that on dextools.io. And if you wanna win a TREZOR, you can do it here. You buy one TREZOR, you can win a TREZOR Save 3 all for free. And today we have our first winner. You still have time. We're going to do this for 5 weeks, 4 more weeks. So buy with the link in the description below your TREZOR. That's mandatory. Also, it's mandatory to fill the form that you have in the description below. And we have here 10 answers right now. 10 riders that bought since May 15 to date, to the end of this campaign. You can still buy in it today. We're going to be for more than a month doing that. But today we have our first winner. I deleted the first one. I think it's the first one, I'm not sure. The one that bought it in December, because it's not the case. It's the ones that bought the TREZOR after May the 15th, as I told you. So that one is eliminated. And also I eliminated this number here because it's so different to the rest. And I believe it's not from TREZOR Shop. I'm not sure. Write me to funontheRide.gmail.com if that's the case. But right now you're not participating with this number. And for the rest, I asked ChatGPT and the winner is number 6. So number 6 is one. No, this is eliminated. Well, I'm gonna tell you which one it is because I have the number of the winner. You'll have it in the description of this video. Not ready right now for that, but you are ready for staking Ethereum with TREZOR and participate in this draw. Just follow the videos we dedicated to TREZOR. Find those videos in our channel. And what about Cardano ADA? Chad Hoskinson talked about the price of ADA. You see here this meme, so funny, 45 cents, 45 cents, 45 cents all the time. It seems that it's impossible, and Chad Hoskin Floor meme this one too. It's impossible to just detach from it. And you can see how important it is for ADA history here as a support, then resistance, and now support, maybe one day back to $3, maybe so. If that's the case, it's good to accumulate. And I have to tell you, we have a pool Fanon, and we are in the craziest row of history. 151 blocks validated, but you can see 3 in the last one, 1, 2, 3, and 3 in the previous one. So 6 blocks, and no one is coming with us. No new people. How is that even possible? Come with us. We are validating like crazy. As crazy as this cat that understands the show is coming to an end and he doesn't want it to end. We have to go today. We'll be back tomorrow. But if you want more, go to AI News. We are about to release the new video. If you have pending ones, go there and watch them all. If you want more about crypto, of course, here. CryptoNews, Fun on the Ride, Rodrigo, Arnedo, health, money, love, poor in peace, and the best is yet to come.